Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so it's me again, Lady G. I throw a salute for all of now. If today now your first time when they come across this my channel, I beg don't forget to subscribe at the end of this video so that you go to get more message anytime when I upload new video. Yes, today what I want to talk today now about Omoyele Sowore. I know say most of us go down here say they leave on Thursday evening. They come rearrest her on Friday morning again, which is not done. By the way, if I may ask, wetin this man do? Wetin this man do in the sense that if to say this man get tangible something when be say na him dem hold for hand say na him Sowore do since when dem hold am, therefore don bring am come out. Only Banana Republic na this kind thing dey happen. Animal Kingdom na this kind thing dey happen. Could you just believe say wetin just happen for inside courtroom, the way they take handle Sowore, the way they take mishandle am? I no know as I go take put this something. This something when I look at it, this something e pain me. I say why? This na man wey dey innocent. Wetin he do? They tell say e dey plan for revolution. And so what? Revolution dey against our constitution. Today na be the first day when we dey hear of revolution. Revolution don dey Nigeria since when Nigeria get independence. If to say revolution no dey, we for no get independence for all those oyibo people hand when e come dey rule us that time. Na through revolution na we take am for their hand. Now we take talk say we don tire. Only say na different way. Na people take dey display their own. Buhari no take over Shehu Shagari, the time when Shehu Shagari still dey power 1983, abi 1982, 83. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Even though say na democracy na we dey that time, but he take over Shehu Shagari. That will not be revolution. No be talk say now for this era say na democracy, no be military regime. Person no fit come take over person when he dey for power until that person rule finish. They'll come do another election. Then wetin make him take over Shehu Shagari that time when he overthrow am? No be democracy we dey that time. If Sowore organize revolution dey against our constitution. If revolution dey against our constitution, I'm not sure say Sowore for come and talk say he wan do revolution. As that man don know something reach. Some days before they release am this on Thursday, Buhari send some people go inside court make dem go negotiate with Sowore. Make dem tell am say na so dem want am, na so dem want am. Make he give up his dream. Sowore say no. Now no say that man na man of integrity. He say no. They say as you say no now, you no go comply to wetin we talk. Now inside here, now you go die put. You will not come here alive. Now they no go come out alive. Can you just imagine how you go arrest, you go release person a day not less than even 7 or 5 hours, then you rearrest am the next day. This to show you that na organized crime. They don already plan all these things. That leave when they leave am for few hours, na just figurehead, na just counterfeit, na fake. They don't already know the way they will take end everything. They don't plan everything already. How can these people be so callous? Man, when this one a man when don't do anything. This one a man when be say don't already talk to people for America, call children, talk to them, they happy, they go don't see for live video. All of a sudden they will tell them the next day they don't hold their papa again. You see that small boy when they hold generally they call Bakari. That small boy not supposed to school. That boy is not less than 21, 22 years old. That pikin not reach to be Buhari grandson. When they stay there, they waste their life. Buhari, they tell DSS, do one like this, do one like this. DSS no fit do anything without say no be Buhari power. Now that one make una see say since one this thing dey happen, e no talk. E be like say no be that country. No be they no dey hear wetin dey happen. These are one of the reasons why e be say e make am, e want make dem pass that bill when they say anybody when e talk, they go do on this one, they go do on this one. Make dem pass that hate speech and other things when law when e say e wan pass. E no want make anybody talk again. Anybody when do freedom of speech, they go hold the person, they go put the person for here, they go do the person this one. This one are one of the reasons why e make am, they won't put that bill, which I know say no go possible for them. Because it does not be social media and all these things when it happen yesterday, nobody for know anything when it happen. How can this man be so wicked? Bubu na malu serious one. How you go treat person pikin like this? This one an innocent man. When many people dey for that country when they commit different atrocity, nobody when he don't know. Before you know it, they will sweep all the things, put under the carpet. Na Sowore when he come out when they say only man when they talk of revolution, he never even do only man when they talk am. Now that one I make them come hold and when come talk say they no go leave am. Say na money laundering, na different. They bring different excuses. They come out. If it does not be mad, Sowore talk say won't do revolution. Say he really talk, he really do am. Anything dey. Now today the revolution started to happen for Nigeria. If not be revolution, Buhari for dey for power. All of us know how Buhari take reach that power now. When he contest many times, when he lose, when he talks, he do revolution. Talk say if you know enter by thunder by fire, Nigeria will catch fire. If then they rule well or they do something well, the thing when they promise before they enter power. Why did they fear say somebody go come take over them? How could they just treat human being like that? This one na man. I say when I dey look that video, na so my heart dey beat fast. I no wan share the video because I know say many people go don see am, but I still put the picture in the sense that people wey no know wetin I dey talk, so that they go know wetin I dey talk. Eh? That is too heartless. I say this something. I say Nigeria, which way Nigerians? Eh? Which way Nigerians? Now like this, now we will just take it quiet. This man will just turn Nigeria upside down to the way. At least people, I know say Nigeria no get the time when it take good before Buhari come, but e no just reach like this. People na rule before am. Eh? Make the whole judge, all the police, all the judge, all the soldiers when e dey for Nigeria, everybody make dem pull their cloth, make dem give everything to the bubu, make e become judge, become police, become president at the same time, make e take over everything, because at this junction na so e come be. Eh? Na so e come be. So what is the essence of him staying under the carpet, on the ground? They tell them say do am like this, do am like this. Kuku wear the cloth, do everything. We go know say na you na be everything. Nobody is above the law, but una they above the law. Eh? The way they take treat Sowore yesterday, the way they take mishandle am for inside court for there, they go treat even common criminal, they go treat am like that. Talk less of man wey no do anything. Eh? Innocent man for that matter. It's too bad. Nigeria government na scam. No wonder this Nnamdi Kanu talk say Nigeria na zoo. Yes. Now the time when you talk and say now I know wetin use am mean. Nigeria na zoo country. Wetin use am mean? No be individual when they waka for outside. Now the government na e talk, and na true. Eh? Only Banana Republic na this kind of thing go fit happen. How you go just treat human being when no do anything like that? Okay, if they fit treat Sowore with the stance when he get, and the lawyer, one of the highest lawyer for Nigeria, which is Mr. Falana, they fit treat them like this. Which voice, wetin common man get to talk again for Nigeria if they oppress am or anything happen to them? Who you want cry to? Wetin common man like me and you, wetin we get to talk again if they fit treat people like this? Eh? So this something is not even right, and the whole world condemn this something. Everybody know say e no right. He himself know all these things when they do. I know say he no get conscience. He dey see all those things, but he pretend, he pay deaf ear like say nothing dey happen. He only dey travel from one country to another. The whole 5 continents when he dey for the world, he don travel all of them. They borrow money up and down. They heap gbese for Nigeria head. I'm sorry for the next generation. Eh? They heap gbese because you know say time no dey. Eh? I don't know how Nigeria can't enter this one chance. So because I first talk from my other video, I say this man don't rule before. Everybody get every evidence to know say this man na so he be. Now sef that one when he do that time, he was past am now. Wetin he no see chance to do that time because Babangida come unexpectedly come overthrow am. I don't know who come overthrow am that time. Babangida or something like that come overthrow am. So those things now they pain and I make him want enter power by thunder by fire. As he don't finally enter now the things now in the show now. They quickly they borrow money here and there. They quickly they do all the things so they don't quickly do because you don't say time not there again. Buhari is too bad. It shall not be well. It shall not be well with you and your family because this thing when you do this man so the tears of the innocent, it will always follow you and your generation. It's too bad of him. How can you just treat somebody when you don't do anything like this? So my people, I beg. Now here I will end my video. If you get anything when you want to adjourn this video, maybe just add your own. If you get any comment, leave your comment at the comment section. If you get any question, still leave on. I don't want to make this video come too long. Now here I will stop. I will still give you more updates if more things still come out. I beg, if you never subscribe to this my channel, this one is your first time, I beg, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime when I put new video, you go to get message say I don't upload new video. I just still click the bell when they near there. They call a notification bell. With that one, anytime when I put new video, you message, you just call your phone say I don't upload new video. So my people, now here I will roll up my video today and say have a blessed day, have a blessed weekend. Bye bye.